Hey everyone, want to know which ad copy performs best? Here's how to split test using Anyword's Insight feature in seconds. Let's get started. First, you need to log in to anyword.com and here click Create Content. Then, select the platform you're advertising on, like Facebook or Google, and write your product description, then generate multiple ad copy variations. Then here, head to Insight section to see a detailed analytics for each variant, like predictive performance scores, audience engagement, and tone analysis. You can compare which ad has the strongest performance potential, and you can use a highest performing copy or tweak a lower scoring one to boost result. You can even run another test to confirm your winner. And that's how you split test ads with any word. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.